Miss me the crepes. Now I'm gonna eat it.
I'm still wondering why we're always eating on these.
Yeah, I'm very.
What?
Guess what we found out?
Why is it quite different?
Right? I'm very manipulated. Right, bitch?
Yeah.
Stop it! Oi, 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 oi. Bad.
I'm using this to stir this.
And now I'm gonna eat. Yum.
You are way too into the typey thingy. You're into drawing, writing, whatever. I got new headphones! Yay! Headphones of yayness. Yeah, I'm ending it. Random typey fingers. Stupid car, stop moving. Of course it had to stop moving now. Recording. Working on her story. Nova. Random words of randomness. I can't read. Also, you won't be able to read those. Yeah, I'm just bored.
Famous lighthouse. What is it?
Double.
Double. Yep. It's really close up. Hold on.
Waves are coming up over their knees.
That's not.
Look, those people are going to get pulled into the water. Good thing there's a lot of tourists here. When they go in, yeah, the truck's going to save them. Unless this guy catches them.
Are you still taking pictures?
I'm taking a video.
Oh.
54 seconds.
Okay, do a panoramic. Do a look at the wave.
And this is why we don't have nice movies. She can just edit it out.
See, look how big those waves are. They're going to pull that girl into the water, and she's not even going to know. And that guy, they're going to go into the water. They got these big waves that are over their feet and their legs.
Turn around.
Hi.
But they're going to get pulled into the water.
I don't want to.
No, they're not. They're looking.
I don't want to turn around.
Come over here, have my butt. You come over here, have my stomach. No. Look how thin I am.
How do you find you are?
No whiskers. No, bananas give off these strange bananas taste. It tastes really bad.
Not the whole thing, just part of it.
No, I don't like bananas. It gives off the strange banana-ish taste. It tastes.
It's a banana! It's a fun. Oh, fine, can I put caramel on it?
Yeah. Did you like fish whiskers? Can you say hi? You're so cute.
Oh, never mind.
Can you get your hug? Okay. Now we're gonna. Show. Know your smarts when cooking. Smart cookie. Be a smart cookie when it comes to cooking.
Yeah, Smart Cookie never listens to her. Fuck joy. So then you can drink it.
Not what Jack did. So Shaylin was eating, like on here, like so she's just eating. And then Jack comes up and like this, wait. Like, what? I don't know. Jack's like, sniff Jalen. Hey, look, it's another see you, little puppy.
I'm gonna kill it.
Oh.
Stop hitting me with the thing.
It's like strong.
I really want to try this right now.
Essex, and I won't.
Can I?
Grab a spoon and eat it. You do know it has eggs, right? It's like eating raw chicken.
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Mmm, orangey. Drink it.
Mommy?
I want to do it. I want to film it.
So good. And then filling it in. So good. And then filling it in.
It's orangey. Here's the-
Come on, in your face now.
Smiley face.
That's not disgusting. Yes, it is.
Don't wipe off the cop. Cop.
Oh no! Oh no! Run, guys!
They
Run!
must have found out what I did again.
Quick, run! The Rangers are coming. Oh! Here's apple juice. Nah.
Here's apple juice.
See? Oh.
Poor Kenzie. What are you filming? What are you? Hey, no!
Sprinkles.
Okay, now I can't eat it.
Yeah, and they said, this is brownies.
For British eyes only.
It's finished. It's like a normal chocolate brownie. But we did said we changed oil to fruit. Here I go. Yes, we keep a bag of chopsticks in our girl's closet.
Oh, hey, I forgot. There's sprinkles in it. Mmm.
Okay. I got burpees. It was really crunchy and not chewy.
No.
So, the frosting is really coffee. Like, really
Coffee flavoring.
like mixed. And so I got coffee and strawberry syrup taste in my mouth with crunchy burnt.
I'm getting really good stuff. It's tasty.
Yeah, I should try the others. So, I'm gonna go. Actually go. So, see you tomorrow, maybe. You wanna say hi? You wanna say goodbye? Be you, be you, and be free. See ya.